study finds only 2% of EV batteries have been replaced. A recent study from Recurrent has revealed that overall, electric vehicle battery replacements are rare, and if high-profile recalls, such as GM's issues with the Chevy Bolt EV, are taken out of the equation, only 2.5% of electric vehicle battery packs in 2011 to 2024 model year EVs have been replaced thus far. Electric vehicle critics typically point to battery replacements as a reason why EVs are a subpar alternative to combustion-powered cars. This is partly due to the fact that electric vehicle batteries are expensive, costing as much as 50% of a car's value. With this in mind, battery replacements have the potential to give customers huge headaches. As noted in a study from Recurrent, however, battery replacements are actually extremely rare. While there have been battery recalls from General Motors and Hyundai over the years, the vast majority of electric car batteries are still in their original vehicles. This seems to be especially true for Tesla, which comprises the majority of electric vehicle sales in the United States, as per Recurrent's findings. Across all years and models, outside of big recalls, only 2.5% have been replaced. This increase from last year is entirely due to older cars. For cars older than 2015, replacement rates are 13%, but under 1% for cars from 2016 and newer. Even battery-related recalls have not resulted in much financial inconvenience for consumers. Recurrent study noted that battery replacements that occur under warranty have so far been handled by automakers themselves. This seems to be the case with General Motors with the Hummer EVs batteries, as well as Rivian's all-electric adventure vehicles. Such an instance was described by the owner of a Hummer EV whose battery was replaced by GM. GM called and asked if they could have my battery for an engineering study. They offered me $250, the new battery, and a loaner vehicle. Dealer turned it around in one day, as this was the second time they replaced my battery. Win-win for everyone, the Hummer EV owner noted. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.